Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a restaurant called Insadong Galbi Cheonha. Insadong Galbi Cheonha is a Korean food restaurant located on the main street of Insadong in Seoul. Our main menu is grilled beef ribs, braised beef ribs, galbitang, naengmyeon, kimchi stew, doenjang stew, etc. You can enjoy a variety of traditional Korean food. The dishes made with fresh ingredients and authentic recipes are really delicious. Our restaurant has 300 group seats. Small tourist buses from all over the country visit frequently. I am confident that it is an ideal place to enjoy delicious Korean food. While enjoying the beautiful scenery of Insa-dong, you can visit at various times. And reservations are a must. You can also make reservations online through Naver. You can make a reservation at any time you want conveniently. Insadong Galbi Cheonha is the best place for those who want to experience traditional Korean food. Enjoy delicious food and beautiful scenery of Insa-dong. I'll be waiting for your visit. Thank you.